Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to clear or delete your watch history on TikTok. So guys, first thing that you will do is open the application, and then from here guys, go to the very bottom on the right, go to your profile, and then from here on the top right corner of the screen, click the three dots, and then click on settings and privacy, and then from here guys, just scroll down and go for activity center. So guys, from here you will see your daily average screen time, and down below you will see your watch history. So guys, just click on the watch history, and then from here guys, on the top right corner of the screen you will have an option to select, and just click on it guys. And then from here, guys, you can select a certain watch history, or you can just go ahead and click on a select all watch history at the very bottom. And you can just click on delete, guys. And then after that, you will be able to delete all of your watch history on TikTok. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.